Hey guys, I'm here at the Ford dealership and I see this beauty right here, which looks to me like a Chevy or a GMC van. And yeah, it just stuck in my eye because it's at the Ford dealership, and I thought, what is that? And thought, well, let's go have a look at it. So what do we see here? Oh, it's a van. Oh, it's a GMC. Okay, it's a GMC van. I knew it was Chevy or GMC because these mirrors are pretty typical, but I think Dodge had some that looked like that too though. Anyways, we'll have to look at it. Paint is really rough, really flaked off, the clear coat especially, and the inside looks rough too. I think it looks like it's someone started remodeling this, maybe. I don't know. I don't even know what years these were built. See, the window is open here. There's plenty of spare parts in the vehicle. There's a camp chair in there too. Looks like it's still registered, which is surprising. So this might as well still run. So I don't know whose it is, but nice find though. You like vans like that, full-size vans? Are you a fan of them? Some people are. Some people like the short ones, the one with the low top, some with the high top. I personally never owned a van like that, and I think they're kind of cool and they have their place, but I'm not a fan. No, I'm not a fan. So if you like it, please give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you soon. Thanks for watching.